Why don't seniors play hide and seek? Because no one would dare to unfold their lightweight scooters to search. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on lightweight folding scooters for seniors. Tip 1. Choose a scooter with good stability and safety features. As seniors tend to have poorer balance and reflexes, the scooter they use must have advanced stability and safety features. This includes 2 to 4 wheels. 4-wheeled scooters usually provide better stability but may be less maneuverable, easy to operate controls and brakes, and a low center of gravity. Tip 2. Look for a scooter that is lightweight yet sturdy. A lightweight scooter will be easier for a senior to handle, especially when folding and unfolding it. At the same time, it should be sturdy enough to support the user's weight and remain stable while in use. Look for a scooter made of durable materials like aluminum, which combines strength with lightness. Tip 3. Consider the scooter's seat comfort and support. Seniors will likely spend considerable time on the scooter, so it's crucial that the seat is comfortable and supportive. Some scooters come with padded seats and backrests, which can improve comfort during longer rides. Tip 4. Consider a scooter with adjustable handlebars and seat height. This will allow the senior to tailor the scooter to their specific needs and ensure they're comfortable while riding. It is also beneficial for seniors with arthritis or mobility issues, as it can be adjusted to reduce strain. Tip 5. Check the scooter's battery life. The scooter should have a generous battery life to allow the senior to travel significant distances without needing to recharge it frequently. Some high-quality scooters can run for 10-15 miles on a single charge. Tip 6. Consider the scooter's weight capacity. Make sure the scooter can comfortably support the senior's weight. Most folding scooters can handle weights of up to 250 to 300 pounds, but there are models available for heavier users if needed. Tip 7. Choose a scooter that folds easily. Some scooters feature a one-touch folding mechanism that makes the process easier for elders. This feature allows the scooter to be stored conveniently or transported in a car trunk with less hassle. Tip 8. Consider a scooter with a swivel seat. A swivel seat makes getting on and off the scooter easier, which is a critical feature for seniors with limited mobility. Tip 9. Check the scooter's turning radius. A smaller turning radius will allow the senior to maneuver the scooter in tight spaces more easily. This is particularly useful indoors or in crowded areas. Tip 10. Look at the scooter's tires. Solid tires require less to no maintenance and are less likely to get punctured. However, inflatable or soft tires may offer a smoother ride on uneven surfaces. Tip 11. Consider a scooter with a warranty and good customer service. A warranty can give you peace of mind that any issues with the scooter will be taken care of. Look for scooters from respected manufacturers that offer a warranty and have a good reputation for customer service. This will make it easier for seniors to get any